Ooh, getting comfy in Lyft comfort zones. Before we dig in though, a quick word from one of our partners that provides a really valuable service in case you're ever deactivated for a background check error.
Thanks, guys. I'm excited to be working with the RideShare Guy again. My firm has been helping Uber and Lyft drivers who've been denied employment because of background checks. We've helped literally hundreds of consumers all around the country who've lost a rideshare job because of a false background check. If this has happened to you, please give us a call at 888-822-1777 or visit our website at www.smithmarco.com. Thanks again. We're looking forward to helping you.
Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the RideShare Guy. And that's right, Lyft has come out with something called Lyft Comfort Zones. And this is a spot where drivers can go, they can relax, they can rest, they can grab some coffee and even go to the bathroom. And so what you see on the screen right now is taken directly from Lyft, and it's talking about its comfort zones. So it says we've partnered with 4 Charlotte area hotels to offer comfort zones to drivers. Comfort zones are comfortable places to take a break that include free coffee, public restrooms, and access to the hotel lobby. All these perks will be available 24/7. And while it's not required, we recommend you identify yourself as a Lyft driver to hotel staff when you arrive. And then underneath that, it just tells you where the hotels are located. So for drivers that are in the CLT market, are you going to any of these comfort zones? Have you tried them? What's your thoughts? And also for anybody else, have you seen a comfort zone in your market? Comment below and let us know if you've seen it and what market that is. All right, so we are going to get into your feedback in just a few moments. I'm going to share mine though real quick first. And I got to say, Lyft, good job. That's actually a really cool thing to see, especially partnering with some hotels to provide an area where you can go, you can sit, you can stretch, you can use the bathroom, and even get coffee when you need it. So it's a nice little bonus to have, and it's something that will be enjoyable for drivers. The only thing I have to say, drivers, please keep this respectful. Be respectful of the hotels that are participating with this. And if you have to go to the bathroom, just make sure you clean it up and you don't mess it up. And you don't muck it up for everybody else. All right, and now let's go over to our YouTube community tab where you have some of your feedback and let's see what you had to say. So right off the bat, Sean, great comment by the way, and that's why I'm pointing it out. So it says, what's in it for the hotel? I worked in hotels for 25 years and we would chase out taxi drivers like crazy. They'd trash the restroom and stand at the door smoking and make customers feel uncomfortable. And Sean, that's why I just said just before, don't muck up bathrooms, don't be like that. Please take care of it because this is something where it can easily be taken away just as quick. So again, I'm right there with you. And yeah, what's in it for the hotels? Who knows? But it says if Lyft is paying for this, I think the money would be spent better on the drivers directly. I have a feeling it might be part of an exchange, like if Lyft books some rooms for a year for their employees or tech consultants that the hotel would provide the space and coffee. I'm sure the operation people at the hotels are thrilled to provide this. I don't know. It'd be nice to hear from the hotels actually and what they say. But again, the biggest point is if you are using a bathroom, please don't mess it up. Please be respectful of the hotel and the other drivers that may want to use this into the future. And even the coffee itself. Don't muck up the coffee station. Doordash Delivery says that's awesome. Daniel says, in my market, they're called gas stations. Loyalty programs make coffee free at times. Restrooms available while lobby is open. Traditional taxi drivers have had to make do for over 50 years. The Lambada Princess says, nothing yet in my very small market I'm in. I go to the public library or to car dealerships. The salespeople are always nice to me. Both the library and auto dealers always have clean bathrooms. Dealers always offer the coffee and snacks and drive away with both. Nice. Rideshare Rodeo says, ooh, access to a hotel lobby. Wow. And if you're not following us on our Facebook page, we did post this as well there and had quite a few comments. Majority of the comments said that this is a good idea and they liked it, but they probably wouldn't use it or that they haven't had it in their market yet. So either way, what are your thoughts on this? Comment below and let us know. And again, as I said earlier, I do think that this is a good, nice extra option for Lyft drivers. The only thing I have to say, please don't mess it up. This is a hotel. This is somebody who's partnering with Lyft for the drivers to have. And at face value, it's nice to have something extra like going to grab a coffee or going to the bathroom. get out and stretch for a few moments while you're waiting for a ride and in the area and able to do that. So again, don't muck it up for other people. And with that being said, if you think this is a good option, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe, ring the bell for notifications so you'll be notified when new videos come out. We do new videos every single week on different topics within the gig economy, with rideshare, food delivery, etc. So make sure you're subscribed and watching videos. All right, everyone, drive safe.